Today we're going to talk about S&P 500, what it's going to look like from here. If you see the last session is 0.61% up, where in 5 days it is up by 1.20%, where in a month it's up by 5 around 5%, where in 6 months it's 13.66%, and YTD is like 28, and 1 year if you see is 33. So S&P has given a more return than any in this stock, and that's why we call it for a long-term prospect. You should be trusting the index and investing in the index without any risk and all. In 1 year, it's given a 3.27%, and it's really incredible, this kind of return. Well, what from now here, what could be looking like, what could be, because it's all-time high, so if there will be any correction coming up, or it will be still be making new highs and all. If you see the sector wise, like IT is doing good. IT is like going up and up. Like in 3 months the IT has given a return 14%, and last 1 month 7%, where the consumer and communication are given good return, where only this one sector like from last 3 months is not given any return is like healthcare. All the companies which are there in the healthcare has not given any kind of return. This sector is not doing well. Well, last session, if you see that energy, metal, finance, like finance, you have Bank of America, not financial, healthcare, not given any return, where S&P is was up by 0.61% and all. Yeah, if you see that the more currently IT sector is growing up, like all the stocks of IT, like Microsoft and Apple and all Google are going up and all. So these are the trend line. If you see technically, if I see the valuation part, if you I just share you with some valuations. Like if you see the ratio of total market cap to GDP, US GDP, last it was high was 199 total market cap GDP, but currently it is like more than 209, and it is really like very high valuations, and this valuation is very threatening. Means that they could be any day could be a great fall, and if the fall will be there, like from if you see the last session, there was a fall in 2021, like and then last in COVID there was 151, it fall to 139, and then from 199 to it's just down to 137. So suppose because the valuation is too high, so getting a right stock with the right valuation, it could be a little bit, but the valuation is like if you see here, it is like it is sharing like it's 209 overvalued. So well, market is currently very overvalued, and at this trend line, at this valuations, you should be very cautious to your money, like what are you investing and all. Like you should be not because it's not the right time to invest for the long term, and like time has come for you to do the profit booking and all. Well, this for today. Well, if you see the technical of S&P 500, what how going to look like? If the technical, if you see it is crossing the 70 around. So when it's crossed 70, because this is a very important area, when it's crossed here, it state that again there is a big jump in the market. So what could be the return? I will share with you. What could be the jump? So there could be 2.5% more. I think the market will go up. The currently market is around. If you see the last session market, it goes to all-time high, like 6086. So if you see 2% up, like 121% more, and it's going to be 620. So market could be around 620 in coming session. But after that, what? Because even the VIX, even the RSI is above everything. Like RSI also, start hammering the stock and you're going to bring it down after 620. So your the next target could be 620, but there could be a correction after 620. So if we see the VIX, like how VIX is doing and all. So if you see the VIX now, VIX is all time below. Like if it is just touched the all time 13, because if you see from last session from since 24 July 2024, it has never been so less. Now because when VIX touches at this bottom line, there is a more chance that it will make a U-shaped recovery and it will go up. When it go up, it will definitely drag the market. So be cautious here that when you're investing in US market, be cautious like this time is coming for the market to be to there will be a fall in the market. So currently, if you see here, like what could be the next session is going to be. So if you see here, the future is like down 0.06. So next session could be around normal momentum, not nothing to go up and up, up and down. Like next session is going to be very, very normal. And then it could be 2% up in coming session, so coming days, next week probably. But after that, there could be a fall. So make sure you should be cautious. You should be enough. conscious, like you're putting your money, so please uh, book your profit at this level, like and then only it could be more better in that. Well, thank you. I think this is the only I can share with you all currently. Like I shared with you the market cap to GDP of US, where it's very high. And if you see last 20 years, if you see, it is very high in 20 years also. So market need a correction, and correction could be happen very soon. So be cautious about the market. Well, thank you for watching my channel, and if you like, do subscribe. I will bring more these kind of videos and where to invest and how to invest. Investment is your own decision, and just for the study purpose I'm sharing. Thank you for your time.